morning, guys. Morning. New week. New week. How's everyone doing? How was your weekend? Okay, so for today I'm watching Coin, Microsoft, and Nvidia. I'm already on all three, but let's see if I'm gonna have to get out of Coin puts and maybe change to calls. You guys have all my levels and my watch list on my Discord. So, yeah. So let's see how we have for today. I was not expecting SPY going under 520.50, but let's see if it's gonna hold 518, or if we have a pop here to 520.50 and then reject there. That will be the two levels to watch today. We'll see. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh, I haven't. Okay, let me see what accounts I'm gonna use to trade futures today. And how many? Looks like coin's gonna step me out of those puts. Yeah, it's crazy strong. Okay, I'm trading today with 100K Apex account, group of 5. Whoa, that's pretty strong move on coin. Okay, I like that reaction on coin. Let's see. Wanna see Microsoft back again above 427. In the Q, we wanna see the Q holding this level here. Nvidia is holding pretty good so far. The Q is looking a little bit weak. Like always, let's be patient here. But this 443.50, 444 level is an important level for the Q if we want to see more upside in the market. Yeah, I'm getting out of coin puts. I don't like that. I don't like how coin is holding so good there. Yeah, I'm on a treadmill. I don't like that Microsoft rejection there. Yeah, I'm getting out of Microsoft too. I don't like that rejection. I might just got fake out, but I don't know. I don't like that rejection. I don't like that 426 rejection there. Let's see if SPY can break this level here. Morning. Long AMD. AMD has a clear downtrend. Daily and weekly downtrend. Could it bounce? Yeah, maybe. But I will not trade against the bigger time frame that are bearish. But the risk to reward there is very good because it's holding 174. But yeah, this is what I see on AMD. Could, yeah, I could definitely bounce here, but it's still in a long downtrend. So the risk to reward is good, but it's risky because you're trading against the trend. For me, AMD needs to break and hold 180 to really be bullish. So the Q is looking pretty weak, and the SPY is near this 520.50 resistance. Let's see if it's gonna react there or if we have a break of that resistance. Coin is so strong, it's insane. Nvidia is looking beautiful. Is it me or SPY is not even moving? So we have Nvidia being very strong. We have Microsoft weak, Google weak, Apple weak. Let's see Meta. Oh, Meta also. I was not expecting this move on coin. Mhm. Okay. Okay. So I'm looking here, spying the Q. So for 520.50, pretty much this high. I wanna see what SPY is gonna do at this high, which is pretty much there, but not really. It needs a go a little bit higher to really see if it's gonna break that level or it's gonna reject. The Q is looking weak, but so far is holding support. We have Microsoft dying, Apple dying, Nvidia starting to look weak. Yeah, I'm gonna short the Q, NQ. I only got two. I wish I had I'm sorry, I only got one. I wish I'd had two. If the SPY goes down here, the Q is gonna die. Yeah. I'm gonna go with 1 ES also. Whoa, that's a big move. That was Nvidia. That's beautiful. 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 Come on, SPY, just die here. Yeah, the Q did not like that 444 level. SPY just bouncing there. I'm gonna be all out. Yeah. I'm happy with that. Even though I like this rejection here on SPY, I don't like how it's fighting here. You know why I can do? I can go with micros. Maybe. Yes, micros. Yeah. Yeah, look this 30-minute candle, how it's going so far. Still have in the 15 minutes. It's closing two, a little bit over two. Yeah, I like this rejection here. I'm gonna go with micros, so it's less risky. I got four ES micros. That way I just locked most of my profits and I have these runners. Yeah. That 444 rejection on the Q was beautiful. Oh, and we need to remember this week we have a short week. It's Friday, the market is closed. So we got to remember that if we're playing weeklies. 422 is a level that Microsoft, that's a level of support on Microsoft. Let's see um, if it's gonna hold that. Like for me, how I see it right now, there's no reason why SPY should be holding here in the middle of nowhere. Like it's either at 518 or 520.50 or a little bit above there. But Nvidia is holding. And we know Nvidia's been moving the market the past few, I will say, weeks after earnings. Disney, let's see what's Disney. Um, mm, Disney is right at resistance. So yeah, it's 118 is resistance, is a little bit above. Like it has a gap here, a little gap here. So needs to break this high. That was the gap. Needs to hold VWAP. Otherwise gonna give back all this move. Okay, so I'm out. Nvidia is holding pretty good there. Morning. So far I'm a little bit under 2500. Not bad. Mm. If you guys are on coin calls, watch out for 270. It's rejecting there. So the key is fighting this level. Uh, I'm gonna put this line right at this. This is FOMC day, so this high is the level that we wanna see the Q holding a support if we wanna play the upside, which is a little bit above 444. Like that. That's our resistance now, and it's either gonna reject there or break that resistance and then change it to support. Mm, mm, mm. This could be another entry for to play the downside because that's pre-market low, pretty much. But I don't like the downside here with Nvidia being so strong. And I want Nvidia to keep going because I have calls for this week. Mm. So let's see if it's gonna reject here again or it's gonna break. If breaks this level and that level act as support, that's a play to the upside. That's another play and it's gonna be to the upside. Microsoft is bouncing out of the 422 level. SPY definitely didn't want to go lower, so SPY's been very strong so far. It has support here. That's pre-market low, and that's definitely acting as support for SPY. But to play the upside, I need SPY to break this high here. And that will be another very good play. In fact, I like more SPY to the upside if can break this level because SPY just didn't want to go lower. So it's stronger than the Q. Yeah. All these is Nvidia. Look, Nvidia is the only one that is super bullish. Meta is trying to change direction here, but this move on SPY and the Q, especially on the Q, that move is Nvidia. And the Q rejecting 444 again. So Nvidia has a level of resistance here around 950, 150, 952. And I think the next one is all-time high. Yeah, the next one is here. So this is what I'm looking on Nvidia. Um, first of all, this one here, 951.50, and then it's all-time high. So if Nvidia can hold this level as support, it's gonna go and retest all-time high. Very, very clean upside. So far, no reason to not keep going higher. FTX? What's FTX doing? Whoa, okay, FTX gonna go for that gap. That's a big gap that FTX needs to fill. But I don't know if I want to play downside. And these markets being so weird. We have like we have one red day or maybe two, and then it just bounced it again. But yeah, this gap here on FTX, very, very interesting. But I don't know if I want to play the downside in this market. Amazon. Amazon needs to break 180. Okay, this is what I'm looking on Amazon. Amazon, I want to see it on the, I want to see a daily candle closing strong above 180. If that happen, I will look for the next day to play a retest of that level. I don't want to play a possible break of 180 intraday because we could have another reaction like this what happened on Thursday. So it went above 180 and then below. So for me to play this, I need Amazon to break 180 and hold above on a daily candlestick, not intraday. I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. Nobody knows. We just wait and see. I'm only on Amazon calls that I had from last week. Yeah, exactly. So the bigger time frames are bullish. That's why. And seeing how it's the market is been reacting, uh the past I will say is, I don't know, 4 months. It's kind of difficult to play the downside. I will say with options. I have no problem shorting doing scalps with futures with options. It's not really working out much. Mm, So we have new home sales at 10, and then we have at 10:30 we have one Fed speaking. So that might move the market, maybe. So I'm gonna wait until after 10 because I do think new home sales could move the market. I don't know what you were talking about. Um, mm, mm, mm. As long as Nvidia keep going higher, I'm super happy. Um, I don't know what's that, but thank you. And this kind of looks tasty. This gap here. Hmm. No, I'm gonna give it a day. What's Apple doing? Okay, the 168 level here. It's trying to bounce there. Google definitely weak, rejecting this level here of resistance. That was support. Now looks like it's acting as resistance. So that's bearish. What's Meta doing? Hmm. Meta, it's been a mess, kind of messy, but um, I'm gonna clean this chart because It's weird. Okay, we have a downtrend here. We have a clear support here at 500. We have 515 resistance. And then we have the 524. Okay. Maybe that. So maybe it's making a flag there. Maybe. I don't know. But 500 clear support there. Yeah, it bounced out of 500. So data came out. Let's see how the market is reacting there. The Q's trying to break this pre-market high and morning high. I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna put it like that. Yep. Okay, so that's the level to watch on the Q. So far, it's rejecting. Nvidia, I want to see Nvidia holding this level here, 951.50, 952. The Qs is still fighting 444. And SPY is still under 520.50. So, but it's doing nothing. It's doing nothing. Technically, it's doing a new, so far, it's doing a lower high. So technically, it's on a downtrend. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. It's moving in a very small range. We have moving between these two levels. So for me, nothing to trade there. I'm almost 70% up on those Nvidia swings, so I'm gonna lock some profits here. Yeah. I like this consolidation above this level. For me, that's bullish. The thing is, like, everything looks pretty bearish, everything but Nvidia. So like Microsoft is very weak, Apple same thing, Google same thing. Meta it's kind of trying to hold, but Nvidia, look at this consolidation here. It's looking like it's flagging. Looking pretty good. Yeah, I think Meta, as long as keep holding here, this level of support, I think it's gonna keep going higher. Most likely gonna retest all-time high. Only one rate cut, that's extremely bullish. How you guys doing so far today? Green, red, waiting, waiting for a good setup. Extra green, nice. Congrats. Congrats. Green on Nvidia? Yeah. Nvidia is the one that is looking awesome. That's awesome. I don't know why, but I don't like how MU move. So I don't play MU. But chips looks like are strong today. Well, not TSM. TSM is definitely not strong. But AMD is, and also Nvidia, and same with MU. Mm-mm-mm. Come on, Spy. I want a Spy to break this high here. That's what I want to play. I want to play Spy breaking this level. That's awesome. Congrats. That's awesome. But the Q keeps rejecting 444. So we gotta be patient here because so far, um, I will say SPY looks pretty bullish, and same with the Q, but both need to break resistance. And I think that could happen if Nvidia breaks out here. Mm-mm-mm. So we just gotta be patient. A little bit of patience here. Is Donnie here today? I bought the hard drive. I bought two 4 terabyte hard drive. Here, I have a lot of work to do after the stream. I got a new screen. I got two hard drives that I need to move my videos to that so I can free up a little bit of space on my Mac Mini. Um, oh, I got a new dartboard. I'm super excited for this. I know I'm such a nerd. So I had I kind of I like to have my setup like very clean. I don't like to see the bunch of cables everywhere. And with the Macs, you guys know that we need to have like a bunch of little adapters for everything. So I bought this one. So everything's gonna be connected to this board. Saw a bunch of reviews on YouTube. Apparently that one is a good one. So I have a lot of work to do after the stream. So gotta work around on my setup and also have like 3 101 video calls classes. Okay, okay, okay. I like this move here. Yeah, I'm walking. For one for the docking station or for the so you guys have the links for pretty much everything that I have on my setup. The link is down below. You have all my screens and everything that I use, but this docking station is new, so let me find the link for you. Nvidia, for me, Nvidia can keep going higher, so I keep making money. Okay, I like that move. This is the docking station that I bought. That's the one. Okay, so span the queue both broke resistance. Now we wait for any pullback above that resistance or some consolidation. Again, this is all Nvidia. Are we gonna have Nvidia 1000K level touched this week? Maybe, hopefully, because I have the 100K contract. I'm sorry, a thousand strike contracts for Nvidia. So now the Q looks way stronger than SPY. Amazon breaking 180. Damn, I'm up 125% on Nvidia calls from last week. I guess that's all I needed for today. Good move here on the Q. Technically, the Q is still on a downtrend. spot because I'm scalping. I don't really care much about this downtrend, but if you guys are playing options, just be careful there. Let's see how's the weekly looking. The weekly is looking bullish. So we have weekly bullish because it has a clear uptrend here, and the daily it's bearish still. How's the 1 hour? Then our 1 hour is technically bearish. 4 hour also technically bearish. So we'll see. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna be long. Yes, I like that hole there. No, I don't use weekly chart for scalping. Only for swing trades. But I like to know what's going on, and I like to see the bigger picture so I can see better what's going on, or what might happen. SPY is right at this resistance, needs, but I like that it has a gap above. Google is bird flagging. It's looking pretty bearish. Green and waiting. That's awesome. I like this move on Microsoft. Most likely it's gonna help the market keep going higher. Same thing with Nvidia. Very, very clean upside here. So the Q filled the gap that it had this morning from Friday's low. So it's about to fill the gap here. That's still a little bit more to go, but let's see how it's gonna react after filling the gap, which is at 446, around 446. I want to see a SPY holding 520. I don't want anything. I play whatever the market is giving me. But right now, the only thing that I want is a SPY to fill the gap above. So far, it's looking good. Yeah. I was about to add here, but I was like, you already got a good win in the morning, so don't risk more. But yeah, I can see a little bit of resistance here around 521, but the whole gap is still 521.20. And the Q for a little bit under 446. That's the gap on the Q. I think as long as the SPY keeps holding above 520, 520.50, it's bullish. And this Microsoft bounce out of 422 was beautiful. I only trade based on support and resistance on anything. Like you can trade pretty much everything and anything based on support and resistance. Yeah, we'll see how it's gonna react after the gap fill. Yeah. Yeah. With futures, you gotta take profits. Fast. Well, that at least that's how I trade futures. But with everything, I always take profits whenever I have a big move or kind of like a push on my direction. I always take profits. A little bit of profits, at least with options. Even if I have a target above or below, I always take profits on the way up. If I'm playing calls, obviously on the way up. If I trade in put, on the way down. Mm, okay, let's see. Come on, spy, just move. I don't love this bunch of wicks here at the top, and this Q candle is very bearish. But as long as Nvidia keeps holding, I think the market is bullish. It's gonna move higher. What was? Okay. Ooh, Nvidia is so close to previous to all-time high. Let me see something here. Yeah, I don't like these 5-minute candles here on the Q. I don't like it. That's awesome. Congrats. That's congrats. The Q and Nvidia kind of looking weak. SPA is not looking too bullish, but it's holding better than the Q. SPA is fighting here. Fighting. Mm, but I want to see it above this little candle here. That was Wednesday high, that was FOMC high. That will be key. If you can hold above that level, whoa. That is not bueno. Got out. I don't like that move. I think it faked me out. Yep. I think it definitely faked me out. Mm, I'm gonna go long again. I like that hold. I like how Nvidia is consolidating there. And yeah, I like how Microsoft is holding. Hmm. Let's see. If SPY loses this level here, it's gonna go to the VWAP. $5.20. Go this. We'll see. Whoa. What is going on? Is it because of the Fed speaking that the market is moving super? Those candles are weird. Yep. Apple looks like it's trying to break the VWAP. Yeah, I like this Nvidia and the Q, what both are doing. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, I like that move there. NQ is looking pretty bullish. And same with Nvidia and Microsoft, and Apple is fighting the downtrend. Yep. I like this 30-minute candle formation here on all three: SPY, the Q, and Nvidia. Look at Microsoft. Microsoft is running. Come on, SPY, just boom boom there. Mm-mm. Mm. Nvidia definitely wants to go to all-time high. Is it gonna break it today? Let's hope. Let's cross our fingers for that. Mhm. So looking how SPY reacted to the VWAP, and how the 30-minute candle is looking, I think SPY, as long as keep holding the VWAP, which is around this level, it's bullish. If it loses the VWAP, I'm definitely getting out. Mm-mm-mm. So I'm gonna be patient here because I don't want to get fake out again. If I go red, I go red. Mm-mm-mm. Oh yeah, I want to SPY hold in here. And we want to see Nvidia keep holding this level here. And looking at this reaction, I like it so far. But it's definitely risky with Fed speaking right now. I can say anything and everything, and I could make money or lose it. But I like this consolidation above previous resistance. What's going on with Apple? Why is Apple so weak? Apple's been a mess the past like few, I will say 2, 3 weeks. Mm, mm, mm. They are sued. Oh, okay, that's why it's a mess. Come on, Spy, just move. Uh, on evils, I don't know, honestly. But you can definitely search that on their FAQ website. But you wouldn't have any problem just trading one day with news. It's just that rule is just for people that love to trade to YOLO on news days. I don't like that Nvidia handle. I want to see it holding that level there. Okay. So it looks like we're buying the QR consolidating. Maybe flagging, maybe. Apple turning around. Microsoft is holding very good. Nvidia so far is holding very good. Apple is waking up. The market is really making me sweat for these maybe gains. But yeah, I think we have some consolidation here. Nvidia needs to hold here, otherwise it's gonna drag the market lower. Look, Microsoft. Microsoft looks like it wants to go back to 426. Why was that, Microsoft? Yeah, I know you're short on ES. You said it like 4 times, and that's awesome. You got your move. Mm, 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 mm. So I'm watching the VWAP. It loses the VWAP. I'm getting out. Keeps holding it. I'm holding. Hola. Mhm. Hola, chévere. Okay, it looks like we're gonna go lower because Nvidia is losing it here. Mm, let's see. It keeps holding there. Keep holding it. Daily is looking pretty bearish. Okay, I'm out. Out of that. Losing trade. Are you serious? Uh, mm, 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 mm. Nvidia most likely it's gonna go lower. If cannot hold this level here, it's gonna go lower and retest the VWAP or this level here, 951.50. Let's do the protein snack of the day. It's gonna be this chocolate sweet roll. I'm gonna put in the microwave like 10 seconds and I'll be back. And I think I gotta fake out. I'll be back. Okay. Oh, back. So we have it here. I'm not gonna like, oops. This kind of looks like dog shit. So weird, but it smells very good. So this one, it has 220 calories, kind of high in calories, 12 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbs, less than 1 gram of sugar, and 20 grams of protein. I like that it has a lot of proteins. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Pretty good. Very yummy. You definitely need to put it for 10 seconds on the microwave. Otherwise, it will be a little bit dry. But yeah, it's awesome. It's very good. I think it's pie holding. Mm, I'm ready so far today. I'm ready with futures. Big green with options. Spy is tempting me again. This one is looking too good. Okay, bye. Exactly. Damn, Apple. Apple is going crazy. Okay, so this 30-minute candle on Apple is looking extremely bullish. Still have 2 more minutes to go, but if it closes like that, that's super bullish. Yeah. Getting out of here, that was a bad move because I should have waited for this 5-minute candle to close. Well, I don't know, because at that time, Nvidia and the Q were looking pretty weak. But Nvidia looked like flagging. Most likely, it's gonna retest, like test the VWAP. But this hole here was beautiful. This hole here. It's too late for coin. Coin, the entry was in the morning, early morning. Literally when it opened. I want SPY to give me a retest of 520.40 or the VWAP again. If it holds here, I'm gonna go long. And if it goes down here also, I'm gonna go long. Yeah. Because of the 280 resistance. Hmm. Look at move on coin. So coin held Friday high as support. That was your entry. Holding Friday high as support. That's right there. That's pretty bullish. You can play also a retest of this high here. It's like 276.50. So SPY keeps doing higher highs and higher lows. So far, nothing bearish there. So this 30-minute candle changed in like the last few seconds before closing. Nvidia's looking so beautiful. Yeah, no problem. So I'm not happy with my trading here because SPY kind of like faked me out on all these BS. But now, like looking back, it was consolidating and it was using this previous high as support here. So this high here was acting as support. So previous resistance acted as support. The VWAP was there also. So that was the entry here, which I think I did around here, but I got a fake out on these candlestick. Happens. Finally. Good. Good. Let's see if I'm gonna end the day today green. Yeah, I wanna SPY to go for this gap here. Anyone on Nvidia? Anyone on that Nvidia swing from last week? I need a break of this. I need a break of this high here. Nvidia, I will say today and the last past few days, it's been very clean. Like levels, it's been working out like perfectly. Very, very clean move to the upside. Look at this. Perfect levels working to the upside. Very strong uptrend. And clean break of this flag here. We have the pull, we have the flag consolidation, and boom. Nvidia's been super clean. $9.75, nice, nice. It looks like it's gonna get there. $9.75. This is getting so boring. Just do something. Mm-mm-mm. It's one of those very slow grind to the upside days. It's past 11, so it's almost lunch hour, which we know it's slow hours. But Nvidia is looking, it's holding pretty good, which is definitely helping the market. But I think Nvidia needs to go down and test the VWAP. Very, very slow. Everything is super slow. No. Okay, so let's see if SPY is gonna boom boom here. Mm-mm-mm. I'm at a 12K steps. I want to see this gap filled on a SPY before 15K steps. Apple having trouble. That's what's moving the market lower, at least SPY. Apple is a mess. It's super choppy. Mm, 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 mm. I like that reaction there. Yeah, it's a weird day. We have like if we see the bigger time frame, it looks like easy. Looks like it was easy because we can see a clear uptrend, but on the 5 minutes it's very choppy. It's not like it's super choppy. It's like you have candlesticks that move fast to either side, and then you have the next one, it goes to the other way. So like this candle here moved very fast to the downside, and it looked like it was very bearish. And now we have this candlestick here that it was looking bearish, but it moved fast to the upside. So fast move on one candle, it's weird. That it's not normal. Hmm. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to get out this position and I'm gonna have a red day or at least red morning. Well, we'll see. Because technically spice is in both the Q are still in a uptrend. Just keeps wicking there. Apple is losing it. It's looking pretty weak, Apple. Yeah, you can swing trade with $100. It's not the amount, it's how it's being patient and really understanding how to read the market to swing trade because it's different. Swing trading than scalping, you need to know what's the bigger picture for swing trading. SPY needs to definitely break this resistance here. That's FOMC day high. Needs to break that resistance. Mm-mm-mm. Apple, it looks like it's about to lose the VWAP. That's not gonna help SPY. Microsoft kind of looks like a head and shoulder, but as long as it's holding the VWAP, it's bullish. And Nvidia's having a lot of trouble at 965. Um, how do I? It's just experience, honestly. I've been doing this for 7 years, so I'm okay. If I have a red day, I understand. Uh, that's trading. Like I know how to trade. I know when I had bad days because I was doing something wrong or because the market was choppy. Like today, even let's just say I end up the day green, I still wouldn't be happy with my trading today because I feel I overtraded. Hi Orlando, welcome to the channel. I think it's all about understanding what's your risk. So I know if I go red here or I have a red day today, I'm okay with that because I'm not losing more than what I make. Hey Julian, you're late today. So we're having Apple under the VWAP. We have Nvidia right now is not looking too strong, but it's on the 30-minute candles it's looking very wicky. So like I said, I think Nvidia is gonna go for the VWAP, but we'll see. Microsoft needs to hold here the VWAP, otherwise gonna go back down to 422. And if all that happens, SPY and the Q are gonna go lower. The 30-minute candle on the Q is not looking good. And same with SPY. Still have 5 more minutes to close, and 5 minutes, anything can happen. Hey Sarkis. You didn't miss anything, honestly. The market's weird. Yeah, red days are normal. The kids just having bigger green days than your red days. Mm-mm-mm. It's taking forever. Yeah. Taking forever on this. Oh yeah, so we have nothing so far. Like this 5 minute time frame on the spy, if I take out everything, looks those look so wiki to either side. Look at these candlesticks here. Weak to the upside and downside. Weak to the upside and downside. But this is still making higher highs here. Well, I will say higher lows. So isn't super bullish, but isn't like bearish. So it's weird. So I'm gonna hold this buy unless it breaks the VWAP. The VWAP, yeah. On Nvidia, maybe if you can hold the VWAP here, this level here on Nvidia. I like more swing trading, definitely. The thing is, like, most of the people don't have patience enough to wait for a good setup for swing trading. I don't trade pairs that forex. I don't trade forex. I trade futures and options. Mm-mm. So this move is kind of looking like this one. So kind of a flag here and then broke out. Held this previous resistance, now acted as support, held the VWAP, and maybe it's gonna do the same thing. Maybe. I tried options and futures, and I'm not gonna change that. So what I'm doing is I scalp or day trade futures and I swing trade options. And honestly, being super picky with swing trading option, it's been working so good for me. I made the most money the last few months because only swing trading options. And for that, we need to be very, very picky and really look for A plus setups. No, no, no idea. I'm sure there's a bunch of videos with very good swing trading tutorials, but I don't know. Nope. I don't like babysitting positions. So I give you guys here my plan. You have my stop loss, my most likely PTs, why I'm entering the swing trade. So I think that's more than enough for you guys to be able to know to like manage your own positions. I think that's how it should be done because that's how you learn. Mm, I don't have a mentor. I had a friend that kind of helped me a little bit, just pointed out what I was doing wrong. But mostly I just learned it on my own, but it took me a lot of years. So if you want to save money on the long run and you want to save time, get a good mentor. If you want to do it on your own, just so you know, be very patient because it's gonna take you years and a lot of money. A lot of money. Years of losing. Get someone that is gonna point you out, that's gonna point out what you're doing wrong and what you should change and what you're doing right also. I mean, that's how we learn everything and anything, like everything. We learn by someone, by having someone uh on our side teaching us, someone that is better than us. I mean, that's how we learn in school, and we learn sports also with coaches. And on the way, you're gonna learn what's gonna be your own trading style and strategy because you can use other people's info, but trading is like anything else. You gotta make it your own. We all have like different personalities, different schedules. And yeah, you gotta make it your own. Yeah, I like going for three, and if I go above three trades, um, it means I'm not trading right. It's a bad trading day for me. Even if I end up green, I like going for three trades. Yeah. Yeah, I have a private Discord where I post my levels and watch list pre-market. You have the link down below. I'm Lon. You guys can see it there. It's on the screen. I don't like courses because courses, most of the people buy courses and don't really use them. And then they say, well, yeah, most of people say courses don't work, but it's I think a lot of people need like someone on their side that can help them out, like maybe weekly or daily courses. Most of people buy a course and don't use it, and then they say the course doesn't work. But if you're one of those people that are really gonna use a course, go and get one. Yeah. I know I'm one of those people that I buy a course and never, like, I pretty much watch the first video and then I don't use that anymore. Advice on finding a good mentor. If they have a live YouTube stream and you can see how they trade live, not with videos, like live. And if you like them, most likely they have a mentoring program. Like me, I have one. Yes. Yep, I'm long on their Friday's low. I'm going for the gap. I need more water. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Fun. Okay, we're looking way better. Yeah, exactly. I'm going for the gap till Friday's low. Uh, if I recoup the 100K loss, I think you didn't watch the entire video. In the video, it was very clear. Like, go and rewatch that video. I didn't lost 100K. Go rewatch that video. I did not lose 100K. I'm sorry, 11K. I did not lose 11K. You gotta that's so funny because I think people like other people losing because that's my most watched video so far. It's like it has like besides the stream, that's my most watched video. Yeah, 11K. I never lost 11K. You didn't watch that video. Go and rewatch it because I ended that day up eight. I think I was up 8K. So so if you see it on doing a stream, how am I gonna fake how I'm trading if I'm doing this live and if you guys can see my trade weight like look, this is my most the video that it says that I lost 11K. That's my most watched video. And it's so funny when like if you really watch the video, you will know that I did not lose 11K. But yeah, obviously you see me losing here on the live stream like today. So the Q pretty much filled the gap. So this is gonna be interesting because the Q filled the gap. Uh, SPY still has more way to go. And Nvidia, I want to see Nvidia holding the VWAP. Kind of looking like it's flagging here and consolidating here. Yeah, you guys see me here. From Monday to Thursday. And not only I trade here every morning, well, from Monday to Thursday, but yeah, I show you guys my futures trade, and I always say what I'm looking for on those trades. I'm using the 100K PAs. Now I'm trading with 100K PAs. Ooh, I hate Tradeovate app. It's very, very bad. Do not do that. Don't trade on the app. If I want to trade something, what I do on my phone, what I do is I have linked my trading view to my Tradeovate, so I take my trades on trading view. Because that app is so bad. I trade on the website. Okay, I like that move. Definitely what I wanted to see happening, but we need to break that high. We need to break this high here. Put it like that. Yeah, coin. I got an L on coin today. I was swinging puts. Happy that I sold those puts, but yeah. I think it's because my Bitcoin's going, right? Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Why is this double? Okay, this head and shoulder definitely didn't work out. Why I have so many lines here? Okay. That was a beautiful retest of this level. Then bounce there. Boom, boom. Yeah, that's why coin is flying. What is Mara doing? Don't tell me I sold the... Oh, Mara still a mess. It's a mess. And Riot? Riot looks way better than Mara. It had a falling wedge here and broke out from the falling wedge. You have support here, kind of a resistance here. Yeah. Okay, broke this resistance. Now should act as a board. Yeah, retested here. What will be the next one? Whoa. I don't care. So let's see, what do you mean with fake? Because what I see here is people think just because we make YouTube videos, we have we have to show like pretty much everything, and like I think people use the fake word too easily. Because what would mean a fake guru if they're showing you their traits live? Ninja trade copier? No, trade of it. Like you guys see it here. This is trade of it. It's impossible to say how long. Trading has no time. The only way I'm getting out of my position if it hits my stop loss. You cannot swing futures with prop firms. Even if I could, I don't think I would. It's too risky. I said it a bunch of times already. Okay, so moment of truth here for Nvidia. Nvidia, we want to see it holding this level here. VWAP and this level here. Let me see the daily. Yep. I want to see Nvidia holding that level there. Well, I cannot say the same things over and over and over and over again. Mm, yeah, I'm walking. I'm on a walking pad. Okay, let's see if NVIDIA is gonna hold here. It needs to hold the VWAP. I'll decide that. Mm. No, it's very, very sunny. Very, very sunny. I played pickleball for 4 hours yesterday, and I felt like I was melting. It was like, I don't know, like a little bit under 100 degrees. But yeah, it's very sunny. No, it was like around 87. Ooh, already did like over 5 miles. Okay, so NVIDIA is not holding this level and the Q is right at resistance, so that could be an entry for short play. Google is starting to look kind of bullish here. It's holding 150.50. So if Google can break this level here and use it as support, that's bullish. Yeah, I'm in Miami too. The weather is beautiful right now. Friday ran, no, Friday was Friday. We had one day on the weekend that it literally was raining the entire day, like pouring rain. If Nvidia cannot hold this level, that's pretty bearish. Ooh, that's my alarm to stop trading. If Nvidia cannot hold this level, I'm getting out of this. Yes. And I'll be done for the morning. Hey, Robert. Needs to hold this level. If not, it's gonna be 950. It's gonna be this little one here. So put here this one. What the heck? No Chinese, please. Mm-mm-mm. Saint FBI? What's that? Mm-mm. You are short on Nvidia? Yeah, under the VWAP is bearish, technically. Okay. SPY 90 MA. I'm sorry, VWAP. Oh, okay. SPY looks like it's about to lose the VWAP. Let's see. And that will be my signal to get out, and I'm done. Yep. Out, and I'm done. I'm down like 1100, something around there with each account. I have 5. So yeah, red day for me here. Red with futures. Green with options. And yeah, I'm done with the stream. So yeah, red day, red morning. I'll see if I see any good setups later in the day. I'll look for maybe another trade to see if I can turn around this, but so far it's red. I don't know what's that. And I might be fake out again. So, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for the afternoon. So yeah, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for the likes. See you guys mañana. Bye.